Niacinamide is one of the most versatile and effective skincare ingredients, loved for its ability to reduce redness, even skin tone, minimize pores, and improve texture without irritation. Whether you're struggling with acne, dullness, or sensitivity, adding the right niacinamide product can transform your skin. Today, we're reviewing the best niacinamide products 1 to 5 that deliver powerful results across different budgets and skin types, from drugstore gems to luxury favorites. These formulas combine science and soothing care to give your skin a radiant, healthy boost. Kicking off our list at number 1, CeraVe Niacinamide. The CeraVe Niacinamide serum is a dermatologist-developed formula designed to calm the skin while restoring its natural protective barrier. Featuring essential ceramides and niacinamide, this serum targets redness, irritation, and uneven texture, making it suitable for sensitive and combination skin types. Key features: this serum boasts 10% niacinamide concentration combined with ceramides to help rebuild the skin barrier and hyaluronic acid for lasting hydration. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for daily use. The formula's gentle texture is ideal for layering with other treatments. Benefits and usage: regular use of this serum reduces inflammation, visibly minimizes pores, and even skin tone, while keeping the skin moisturized and resilient. Apply a few drops on a clean face morning and night, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day for best results. Usability: the serum's lightweight, non-greasy texture absorbs quickly, making it easy to integrate into any skincare routine. Without feeling heavy or sticky, it works well under makeup and pairs smoothly with other actives. Durability: packaged in a pumped bottle to preserve ingredient potency and hygiene. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily use second spot. We have Inkey. List Niacinamide. Inkey List Niacinamide is a budget-friendly, yet effective serum designed to reduce excess oil production, brighten skin, and minimize blemishes. It's an excellent option for oily and acne-prone skin types looking for a no-fuss solution to balance their skin. Key features: this serum contains 10% niacinamide to help control sebum, reduce redness, and regulate uneven skin tone. It also has a lightweight water gel texture with no added fragrance or harmful ingredients, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Inkey List Niacinamide serum effectively calms inflammation, shrinks pores, and improves skin clarity with consistent use. Apply a few drops to cleanse skin morning and evening, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Usability: its gel-like formula absorbs swiftly without residue, allowing easy layering under creams or sunscreens. It's simple to use and perfect for anyone starting a niacinamide routine or seeking a lightweight product for oily skin. Durability: the serum comes in a hygienic dropper bottle, and a 30 milliliter size generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks when used twice daily. In at number 3 is the La Roche-Posay Niacinamide. The La Roche-Posay Niacinamide B5 serum combines high-quality niacinamide with vitamin B5 to soothe and repair skin, making it ideal for sensitive, dry, and reactive skin types. This formula focuses on calming redness while enhancing skin hydration and barrier function. Key features: containing 10% niacinamide and 1% vitamin B5. This serum promotes skin regeneration, reduces inflammation, and improves elasticity. It is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, suitable for daily use even on delicate skin. Benefits and usage: the serum restores moisture, calms irritation, and brightens the complexion. Apply a few drops morning and night on clean skin before moisturizing. Consistent use helps strengthen skin resilience and reduce visible redness. Usability: lightweight and silky. The serum absorbs quickly and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It layers well under moisturizers and makeup without causing dryness or flakiness. Durability, packaged in a protective airless bottle to maintain formula stability. A 30 milliliters bottle lasts around 6 to 8 weeks with regular use. Taking our fourth spot is Glow Recipe Niacinamide Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew. Drops is a unique blend of hydrating and brightening ingredients with niacinamide at its core. It's designed for those seeking a natural, radiant glow alongside the benefits of niacinamide. Perfect for dry to normal skin types needing a dewy finish. Key features. This product combines 5% niacinamide with watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants to nourish and protect skin. It's lightweight. Water-based serum provides hydration and visibly plumps the skin. Benefits and usage. The dew drops brighten dull complexions, even out skin tone, and boost moisture levels, resulting in a fresh, radiant glow. Use morning and night after cleansing. It can be worn alone or mixed with moisturizer or foundation for an illuminating effect. Usability. The serum has a refreshing, watery texture that absorbs quickly without stickiness. It's ideal for layering and adds a subtle glow, making it a multitasker in skincare and makeup routines. Durability. Housed in a sleek glass dropper bottle. A 30 milliliter size lasts about 6 to 8 weeks with dive. And finally, at number 5, we have Olay Niacinamide. The Olay Luminous Niacinamide plus Vitamin C Super Serum is a powerful brightening serum combining niacinamide with vitamin C to fight dark spots, uneven tone, and dullness. It's designed for all skin types aiming to achieve luminous, radiant skin with a smooth texture. Key features: containing 5% niacinamide and 10% vitamin C. The serum targets discoloration and helps restore radiance. It also has antioxidant properties to protect skin from environmental damage. The formula is fragrance-free and fast-absorbing. Benefits and usage. With consistent use, it reduces hyperpigmentation, boosts brightness, and refines skin texture. Apply a few drops morning and night on clean skin, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day for optimal protection and results. Usability. The serum's silky texture glides on smoothly, absorbing rapidly without residue. It layers well under other products and makeup, providing hydration and glow without heaviness. Durability. Packaged in an airless pump bottle to maintain freshness. A 40 milliliters bottle generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use. Niacinamide has rightfully earned its place as a staple ingredient for all skin types due to its impressive versatility and gentle effectiveness. Whether you choose CeraVe's restorative serum or Glow Recipes illuminating dewdrops, these best niacinamide products 1 to 5 offer something for everyone. From hydration and soothing to brightening and pore refinement. Start slow, be consistent, and pair with sunscreen for the best results. Which niacinamide product will you try first? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest skincare reviews.